Less than 24 hours to the 2019 Presidential and National Assembly elections, Kuto Motorpark in Abeokuta, Ogun State on Friday experienced low patronage compared to last Friday, which was the eve of the postponed election. A news agency of Nigeria check revealed that most of the few passengers of the park traveled to exercise their civic responsibilities.
Naturally, I just come down to Abeokuta for one or two things. I'm going back to Lagos. I have to vote tomorrow. That's my civic responsibility. And like what you are saying about the transport fare, it has not really increased. The same price will be paid. And the election with the postponement, tomorrow election will be very free, fair and credible.
The park's unit chairman expressed disappointment over the low turnout.
The traveling is so low compared to the other time. People don't travel as compared to the other time. So since morning now, we've not been able to record much about people that are traveling anyway.